Snowcastle Cats here. So we socialise our cats to the everyday noises of things like hoovers, washing machines, babies, that sort of thing. Have a listen to this. Watch. Cat versus hoover. So as you can see, you need two hands. My cat is not terrified. My kitten could run away quite easily, but she's not. Actually, I need really two hands to clean. So it's all about getting the kitten used to everyday noises. Yeah, I'm not saying that they like it, but it's not scaring them, really, is it? Okay. So you can happily go about your cleaning chores. I mean, the cat could run out. If the cat wasn't happy, she could run out into, out into the hall, but she's not, because the fact is, they get used to it from a very young age, which is what it's all about. Snowcastle Cats. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the sound of the hoover. So anyway, I've done this room, guys. I just thought it's amazing that my cats, Melody's come in. My cats are just chilled, aren't they? Look. So, chilled. We should call them Mr. and Mrs. Relaxed. Yeah? Because the housework's got to go on. And the cats have to live in a domestic setting. Catch that, guys.